Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I'm Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le verbe voir. Today, we're going to learn the verb to see. Then we'll review a few examples and we'll also learn some expressions you can use with the verb to see in French. Of course, if you're new here, you have the full transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, and you also have access to a cheat sheet to help you study with the episode. Ah, mais j'ai oublié. Comment ça va? Moi, ça va bien et j'espère que c'est pareil pour vous. I forgot to ask you, how are you? I'm fine and hope it's the same for you. And before you forget, make sure to subscribe so you can find the podcast again. Because it happens often, we listen to something, we like it, and then it's hard to find. Alors, aujourd'hui, le verbe voir, the verb to see, this was a request from one of my listeners. So, yes, if you have a topic you'd like to hear and that I have not covered before, please feel free to reach out. I'm always eager to help you with learning French. Allez, c'est parti. On commence avec le verbe voir au présent. Are you ready to speak French? So let's start and repeat after me, right? So in this first section, we learn how to use the verb voir in present tense. Voir in French is irregular. Irregular means the verb doesn't follow a pattern, meaning you need to learn it by heart. I'm sorry. So let's start. Je vois, je vois. I see or I'm seeing, we don't make a difference. Je vois. Tu vois. Tu vois. You see or you sing. Tu vois. Il voit. Il voit. He sees or is seeing. Il voit. Elle voit. Elle voit. She sees or she's seeing. Elle voit. On voit. On voit. On means in spoken French we, so it means we're saying or we see, or one is saying or one sees. Nous voyons. Nous voyons. We see or we're seeing. Nous voyons. Vous voyez. Vous voyez. You see or you're seeing. Vous voyez. Il voit. Il voit. They see or they're seeing. Il voit. Elle voit. Elle voit. They see or they're seeing, all feminine. Elle voit. D'accord? Allez, on répète tous ensemble. Je vois. Tu vois. Il voit. Elle voit. On voit. Nous voyons. Vous voyez. Il voit. Elle voit. Again, feel free to go to the website to see the spelling, to see how you're going to spell voyons ou voix in French, especially if you plan to write French. Maintenant. Now, the verb voir in French, to see, is used in the same context than English. Par exemple, vous voyez le Mont Saint-Michel dans la baie. Vous voyez le Mont Saint-Michel dans la baie. You see or you're seeing the Mont Saint-Michel in the bay. Vous voyez le Mont Saint-Michel dans la baie. You can also use it in a negative statement. Nous ne voyons pas pourquoi. Nous ne voyons pas pourquoi. We don't see why. Nous ne voyons pas pourquoi. Elle voit son copain tous les week-ends. Elle voit son copain tous les week-ends. She sees her boyfriend every weekend. Elle voit son copain tous les week-ends. Ça va? Alors, maintenant, les expressions idiomatiques. Now we're going in this third section. We focus on French idiomatic expressions. Faire voir. Faire voir is to show. Usually we use it more as an instruction like show me. But you can also use it as to show, right? Faire voir. Again, head to the website so you'll have more details. Faire voir, to show. Par exemple, fais voir ton nouveau téléphone. Fais voir ton nouveau téléphone. Show me your new phone. Fais voir ton nouveau téléphone. Second one. Avoir, rien à voir. I know I picked it because it's a bit difficult because you have two sounds. You have avoir et avoir. So the first one is to have. The second one is to see. Avoir, rien à voir. Avoir, rien à voir means to have nothing to do with it or no connection whatsoever. Avoir, rien à voir. You can also say rien à voir, which means nothing to do with it or no connection whatsoever. Par exemple, ce restaurant français n'a rien à voir avec la vraie cuisine française. Ce restaurant français n'a rien à voir avec la cuisine française. This French restaurant has nothing to do with real French cooking. Rien à voir, avoir, rien à voir. And the last one is y voir plus clair. y voir plus clair. Y voir plus clair means to understand better. Par exemple, j'y vois plus clair means I understand better. Someone is telling you something and then they give you more explanations. So you can say, oh, j'y vois plus clair. I understand better. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you are. It's the end of this episode. Since you made it to these 10 minutes, I assume that you're interested in learning French, so feel free to check out the workshop. Again, you don't need a credit card. You can access for free the first 4 lessons, and then you can sign up. You have 30 lessons. They're designed by me to help you speak French immediately when you're in France by drilling with expressions and vocab that you need. So check it out and it's free. Merci encore. Thank you again for being such a good listeners. Feel free to leave rating and to share with your friends. It helps other listeners to find out about my podcast. And if nobody has told you today, I know you're terrific. Et si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, moi, je sais que vous êtes formidable. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.